Warning, adult supervision is needed to watch this video. America's most notorious unsolved murders from 2 suspected dogs who are America's most wanted dogs.
I came to spend the night at Giselle's house, and she has possessed dogs. I think her parents gave them meth. I know they're on steroids.
I know, my grandma gave them the steroids, because she's a bodybuilder too. These dogs, they're from the black market. I know they sell shower heads for sure, because we did not get that normal. That shower head ain't normal. And, like,
It's possessed.
they're serial killers. These dogs killed my grandma.
Dogs killed my grandma.
And my grandpa.
After that, she even gave them steroids.
For free. Went for free shit, you know.
Gretchen and Gia.
And we're not crazy! We're not crazy!
We're gonna go.
Shoot. Ah! Tell her. Tell her where she got the meth.
Touch me.
She's gonna try to shower you! She wants to shower you!
Where is Gretchen?
Did you kill Gretchen? Because she took all the meth? They're fighting!